Imagine turning $50 into $500 in just one weekend. Sounds crazy, right? But with nothing more than a ladder, gloves, and some hustle, you can start a gutter cleaning business today. Gutter cleaning is one of those unsexy but profitable side hustles. It's cheap to start, there's always demand, and homeowners are happy to pay you for a job they don't want to do themselves. Here's what you'll need. A sturdy ladder. You can borrow one or buy secondhand for around 40 bucks. Gloves and a small scoop or trowel, about $10. A bucket or trash bag for debris. That's it, under $50 to start. Here's the process. Set up your ladder, wear gloves, scoop out leaves and debris into your bucket, and rinse with a hose if needed. Average job time, about 30 to 45 minutes. Most homeowners pay between $100 and $150 for a single-story home, and $200 or more for two-story homes. If you do just 4 homes in a weekend, that's $400 to $600 bucks. Getting clients is easy. Start with your neighborhood. Just knock on doors or leave flyers. Take before and after photos and post them in Facebook groups, Craigslist, or Nextdoor. People care more about results than fancy marketing. Here's the potential. 4 homes per weekend adds up to $2,000 a month. Hire a helper or add roof cleaning, and you've got a full-time business from a $50 start. So if you're looking for a simple, affordable side hustle that anyone can start, gutter cleaning is it. Cheap startup, steady demand, and clean money from a dirty job. Subscribe now for more unsexy but profitable side hustles, because honestly, boring jobs often pay the best.